Blue, sit. Stay. Okay, Blue, you play you're the dog of the lead character Mulder, played by David Duchovny on the show. And, stay, stay. And, we just want to know what it was like being on set all day long, especially with craft service around and lots of free food. Uh-huh. So, anyway, there's a new dog on the set these days. Jillian has a dog, Cleo, very big dog. What are your thoughts on Cleo? Okay. Do you foresee, sometimes there are animals in the show, often dogs. Do you foresee yourself playing a role in an upcoming show? Would you like to get off that chair? Good.